How to close all apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Closing all apps on iPhone depends on your model, but make sure that it does not provide a close all apps at once button. So if you are using your iPhone with home button, then simply swipe and hold on your home screen and from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Now, you will be able to see all your recent apps in cards. So simply swipe each app card up and off the screen to close it. And if you have an iPhone with a home button or touch ID, then simply double click on the home button and then you will see the app switcher. So repeat the same process, that is swipe up and off on the screen in order to close the app. So this is how you can close all apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.